Let's make some cornbread, sourdough cornbread. Here's my starter. I'm going to need a cup of it. I already have an egg in my bowl. So a cup of starter. I didn't get that quite filled up completely, so there's a cup. Then I'm going to add salt, a tablespoon of sugar. Now if you don't want sugar in yours, don't put it in there. And soda, baking soda. I'm going to add 1/3 cup vegetable oil and 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of flour, and 1 cup of cornmeal. And just get this all mixed up. I'm going to put this in my... I usually bake mine in a pie plate. I don't know why, it's just me. It'll probably bake for 20 minutes. If you, this is a 10-inch pie plate. If you use like an 8x8 pan, which is fine, you would bake it 25, maybe 30 minutes. So I'm going to get all this in there and put this in my 350 degree oven. Here it is out of the oven. It did bake 20 minutes. I tested it right there with a toothpick and it's brown around the edges. So I figured it would be 20 minutes, and you know, if you use a smaller pan, it'll take longer, 25 or 30. I have a piece here with some melting butter. Let's have a taste. That's really good. I think next time I'll add 2 tablespoons of sugar though. That's very nice. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.